What up, everyone? This is Gabriel coming to you with a unboxing of a product that I ordered on the Apple's website. What I'm going to be showing you today is the Apple Pencil. This is not the first generation Apple Pencil. This is the second generation Apple Pencil. If you've owned the first generation, I'll put a link below where you can see what the first generation is if you've never seen one before. The second generation is for the new iPads, 2018 iPads that just were announced not too long ago. And so this pencil works with those. So let me show you right now. This is what the pencil is right here. And on the Apple Pencil it shows the logo of the Apple, and then it says pencil. So Apple Pencil. And then if you put it over like this, it's Apple Pencil. And then on the bottom, it tells about it. And it shows the new iPads. And it shows that this pencil magnetically charges and syncs to the iPad. So that's really cool. So the old iPad, you had to take off a little lid that was on the top of here that you took off. And it had the little charging port that you plugged into the iPad. And that's how it charged. A lot of people didn't like that, because then after you're done charging it, you had nowhere to put your pencil. Sometimes you had to put it in your pocket. Sometimes you had to put it in your pocket on your pants, or sometimes you had to put it in your bag. A lot of people lost. But this one, you just magnet it to your iPad, and then that's all you have to do. And this one has this little flat surface right here. And that's where you magnet it to your iPad. And then it has some gesture base. It has two gesture bases. One of the gesture bases, if you tap it once, it goes to the pen. And then you can write. If you tap it twice, I think it's twice. If you tap it twice, then you erase what you need to erase. And then later on down the line, when other companies start making different gestures for their different products, different apps that they have, then this gestures will work. And the old Apple Pencil was more of a glossy white. This is more of a matte white. And another thing you can do, only if you go to their website, you can engrave something onto the iPad, onto the pencil. So right where that Apple logo is, right here where it says Apple Pencil, beside it, you can engrave something on there. But everything has to be capitalized when you engrave. You can't have any lowercase letters. So that's a little of a bad thing, but if you're okay with that, then it's awesome to have engraved. So I would recommend you engraving, because I got something engraved on mine. It doesn't show it on this packaging, but on the inside it will show. So let's get into the unboxing of this, and then I'll show you what it's like to get it synced to my iPad. So what we're going to do, Apple always has great unboxings, but I could have probably done a little bit better than that. So, sorry for the cough. I have a little cold, and I got a little throat, so don't mind that. And if you were hoping to get one of these pencils, be warned, be wary that it is around $170 something. It's around $100. Yeah, it's $100. And it works with the iPad Pro 11-inch. It works with the iPad Pro 12.9-inch, third generation. If you have the first generation iPad Pro or the second generation iPad Pro, this pencil will not work. The old pencil that they made first, the first generation, will not even work with these new iPads. So if you have one of those and you were hoping to use that pencil with this new iPad that you bought, it won't work. You have to use this new pencil. So this is the unboxing. So let's open it up right here. There's a tab where you pull to open it up like this. Hope you can see that. And on the top, there's some paperwork. Let's put this aside. Let's see what's inside the paperwork first. Just some. So these are just some more. Oh, sorry for that. Didn't mean for that to drop. Okay. And then this paperwork shows you what you can do with the pencil, how to work it and stuff. So it's just paperwork that shows how to work it. Now, let's get into the box. So, sorry. This is the pencil. So there's paper on it. That's what it looks like. So let's get this paper off. So this is what it looks like. If you can see it without my fingers being away. That's the tip part right there. And when this wears out, you probably can get another one from Apple when you need to. And so this is what it looks like. I hope you can see it from this light. And then it has the logo right there where it says Apple Pencil. And in the engraving, I can't really see it that well, but there you go. I hope you can see it. Let's see if this camera will pick it up. Anyways, it says I Unbox on there. So that's what the pencil looks like. It's a really nice feeling pencil in your hand. I really like it. Now, this is my first pencil I've ever had because this is the first iPad I ever had. So let me get the iPad. So this is the new iPad. If you haven't seen it, I have a video below. I'll put that in the description below too, so you can see it. So what you do is you take this flat part right here, and there's a part right here that's a little indicator, like a magnet part, where you take your pencil, if you can see that, and boop, it automatically magnets to there. See? It automatically comes on. You see that little information? And then, once you pair it up, there you go. There's a little indicator right there saying it's pairing up. And continue. It's pairing. Okay. All this information telling about it. Continue. And it's showing how to work it. Done. Now, it's all working. Now, what you can do when you have your iPad turned off, let's show you what it's like. Now you can just pop it off, pop it back on, and it'll always say Apple Pencil. So what I can do when this is off, that you can't do on the old iPad Pro, is I can take this pencil and I can click on it, and when I click on it with the pencil, this will come up. So I can change the colors, and then I could take and tap on the little, on here. I go click, click, and then the eraser, see? I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm trying to hold this and do this at the same time. So I can tap there, and I can write, and then I could go, and I could tap, and it all goes away. And then I can click on different sizes I want, and then I can do the gestures and everything, and then I could go, there you go. So, and then it just magnets back on there, and then it shows Apple Pencil. It shows that it's charging. It's at 59% right now, this pencil, so it needs to fully charge. And then, and you see how the pencil's this way? I can magnet it the other way if I wanted to, like this. So I could have it no matter which way I want. So I hope this was informative, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button so you can be notified when I do more videos, and please leave a comment below. I'll see you again with another video. Bye!